Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 5 Park Drive in Leven. This is a beautiful end terrace 2-bedroom property on an elevated plot. It's got a fantastic outlook. These properties don't come up very often. Let me show you the outlook here. This is what you look out onto. Right here. Open grassland. And across the King George V Park. And this is the property here. As you can see, elevated plot. And it possibly just sits in the sun all day long. I would be tempted to sit out here on a bench all day long and just watch the world go by. Plenty of space to the side for bins and storage if you want to put something in there. But as I said, look, now the sun, we're sitting at about 4 o'clock, sun's going down because it's the time of year, but it'll go on a bit further during the day. So really it comes up over there, it goes all the way around, sits in the front of this house all day long, even sits at the rear because it's got an elevated garden to the rear, so it'll go over the rooftops and hit the rear garden as well, so it's an ideal opportunity. These properties don't come up very often, so be quick. Now, front garden, as I said, elevated. Here it is. We're going to go on the tour. We're going to go upstairs, see the 2 double bedrooms first. So immediately come in, carpeted stairways to the upper landing. We'll come back down to the sitting room in a minute. Bathroom's up here as well. Nice, well presented bathroom. So white suite, WC and sink with the bath and overhead shower, electric shower in here. Double glazing. Off to my left hand side we have first of the double bedrooms, so good sized double bedroom facing out to the rear garden. You can see the inbuilt wardrobes in there. Get your sneak peek at the rear garden. You can see it's elevated. Potential off street parking as well from Broome Crescent. We'll go out there in a minute. As I said, good sized double bedroom here. And then off into the front bedroom, which is no surprise, you'll expect these beautiful views in the front bedroom. So twin beds in here, so you can see it can easily fit a double bed in here, probably straight across from that towards the window. Plenty of space for cupboards and drawers. You've got a wee area to the side there. It could be a preparation area, it could be a laptop study area, it could be just another wardrobe. Put a hook, a pole across there and put all your coat hangers on there with all your stuff in there as well. Stick a door on there if you want, entirely up to yourself. But this is where you get to see it. Now I can see, if I zoom, there's the Bass Rock over there and there's the Firth of Forth. So you can see that's easy walking distance to get down to the beach. And on the coastal path itself. So you can see right along actually. If you zoom, I'll zoom, Bass Rock, and as we look right along you can see all the hills over in Letham as we go along, and just as it comes away, possibly see the fireworks at New Year and celebration times, but beautiful panoramic views right across the front there, isn't it? And as I said, you've got a good sized double bedroom with that cupboard to the side. Let's pop downstairs. Sitting room's really good size as well. So you can see that here as we pan round. Plenty of space for furniture in here. And you've got that triple window to the front. You can see again with these views. And the elevated plot's really nice. Something when people are walking past, it's easy. You can just walk past and you're not really looking directly into your property. Brilliant, isn't it? As we look through off into the kitchen, let's pull back and I'll let you see that as I pull back the size of the room from the kitchen viewpoint. Here we go. So breakfast and kitchen off to the rear here. You can see a space for a table and chairs there. A galley style kitchen. Nice gloss white units there. Space for a washing machine, your freestanding cooker. You could probably get a kettle quite easily up there and a microwave over there as well. Preparation, your boilers on the wall over there. So nice good sized kitchen. And then across under the stairs, you've got plenty of storage in that cupboard there and off to the back garden. So, as we go out the back garden, I'll just take you up the steps, tell you all about it, let you see a bit more. Hello, puss. So here we go. Love the back garden, isn't it? Now, as I said before, potential off-street parking here of a Broom Crescent. So we've got the front and the back, but you could see how the sun's just disappearing over there about 4 o'clock, so it's going to stay up there all day, even in the autumn, probably towards winter. It's just going to hit the cusp of there and actually just shine on this back garden. Ideal seating area as well. Ideal barbecue weather. Moisture in the air is perfect according to Weber barbecues. Okay, so let's talk about where it is in proximity to everything. You had seen how close it is to obviously the sea, because you'd just seen over the rooftops there. Now, Letham Glen's just round the corner, so great for if you've got a dog or anything like that, you can take them for a walk over there. Take them for a walk out the front as well, actually. Then obviously to the in the close by, you've got a gender restaurant, so you've got a gender restaurant and pub. It's a fantastic restaurant and pub. Then you could also go down Wagon Road and you can go straight down towards the high street for the main shopping facilities. Go further on from the high street, you've got the bus station, you've got the swimming pool, you've also got into the beach in the Fife Coastal Path area, and then at the back of the swimming pool in 2024 of spring, there will be the train station going direct towards Edinburgh and further afield. So a great location for that. Okay, so there's more details on this post if you want to click on it. You can see the photographs and descriptions. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.